My name is Rich Abbott. I'm the Watershed Control Coordinator for the City of Syracuse Department of Water. Applying copper sulfate was very time consuming. It typically took 3 to 4 people a whole morning to bag the copper sulfate, prepare it, and then actually apply it by boat or walking around the reservoir. 3 to 4 days after we applied the copper sulfate, a lot of times the counts were higher than pre-application. In 2004, copper sulfate actually went up, maxing out at like 14,000 pounds a year. We've had really good customer support. George Hutchinson has been wonderful. He's kind of guided us through this whole process from our first advanced unit of ultrasound technology. 2019 was the first year where we didn't need to apply copper sulfate at all. That was after 44 years of continuous application. So since 2019 up until 2025, we have not had to apply copper sulfate, not even once to the reservoir. The initial cost through that phase was about $26,000 of technology, and pretty much it's been a return on investment of a little under 2 years. So we were spending anywhere between $15,000 and $20,000 on copper sulfate. Ultrasound has reduced cell counts and kept them consistently low. When we were applying copper sulfate, the levels would spike significantly within 2 to 3 days of the last time that we took a count. We have lower highs and lower lows, so over the course of a season, we might come out and take algae samples 30 to 40 times through the course of May to October. I may come out once a week during the summer season now, so it's a lot less hours are consumed in reading algae and actually just worrying about the water quality of the reservoir. Ultrasound has come a long way in the last probably decade. I think critical to monitor them, maintain them, check on them, maybe clean them once a month. But the results have really been amazing over the years.